Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your sensitivity settings on Pixel Gun 3D. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Pixel Gun 3D on your device, and once you are taken into the homepage, if you wish to change your sensitivity settings, click on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now from here, click on this icon where you can see some knobs, and now you will see the sensitivity options. If you wish to invert your sensitivity, you can tap on the invert cam option, and now you can change your first person as well as third person camera movement. To increase your sensitivity, you can simply move the slider to the right, and you can move it to the left in order to decrease it. You also have the options to increase or decrease your field of view. You can test your settings by clicking on the training ground option, and once you are satisfied, you can just go back and your changes will be saved. And now you can start enjoying your game with your chosen sensitivity settings right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to modify your sensitivity on the Pixel Gun 3D game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.